Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable magnetic SSD 1 TB SSD drive that this brand sent to me for the video. And when I'm saying that this is great, it is really great. Not only because it is magnetic, you're gonna see in a few seconds right now. So you can see that this one is a magnetic SSD drive that is compatible with every MagSafe or magnetic case, or in case that you have one of those like regular cases, you also gonna get right here an O-ring, a magnetic O-ring that you can actually attach to your regular case in case that you don't have one of this. So the way that this works, actually, you can see how compact this is. Super compact. It doesn't take any space. This is not a charger. This is actually a SSD drive. But also, when you connect it to the USB-C to USB-C port over here, you connect it right here on the actual SSD drive, and then you connect it right here. You're gonna actually attach it and connect it right here to the USB-C port. This is also gonna be, depending on your phone, is gonna be charging. Not all phones are gonna do that, but this one, despite how compact it is 1 TB, 2000 megabytes per second, up to 4K and 120 FPS files. So the good thing about this one is how fast it is. You're gonna see it right now in a minute. Let's take a closer look right now on the phone. So check it out in a close-up. We're gonna actually put it back right here with the magnetic case, and then we're gonna connect it right here with the USB-C, and you're gonna see that right here you already have the indicator that this one has a portable drive or a different drive. So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna access to your files, and you're gonna see that it has the internal storage of the actual phone, and then a USB storage one that you can see that goes for 1 TB. So then you're gonna go to some of your files. And for example, I'm gonna actually select this one and this one as well. And then you're gonna have the option, of course, to move them. And then when you move them, it's gonna actually to ask you where you wanna move it. So we're gonna go to the USB storage one. And if we can actually do a folder right here, we can create a folder, have a folder name backup right here. So we're gonna do move here. Boom, that's it. There you go. Move completed. Showing folder. We're gonna go to the folder. We're gonna go right here to the actual USB. We're gonna go to the backup, and we're gonna see that we have them right there. And you can do the same for everything. You can do the same for videos. You can do the same for images. You can do the same for documents and music. But this is how good this one is with the magnetic case over here. Up to 2000 megabytes per second, 1 TB, and of course the Mac case is gonna be super good. Really easy to use, and of course super fast as well. Really convenient if you have some files to transfer on the go, if you're a content creator, and of course it's gonna be super easy to use. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.